Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Packpr once again. And today we are having our new e-commerce and logistic delivery bag which can be used for various delivery purposes. And right now I'm having a dimension 20 by 20 by 25 inches. The 25 is the height for this bag. Let's have a walk around with this bag. The side we have given for bottle holders and other accessories, like if you have something, bills and other items. Let's have see the bag. The bag is having a good heavy duty backpacks with adjustment belts and buckles. The other side is having another pocket just to carry other accessories like POS machines and all products. And here is a branding option also. We have given a 3M reflectors also for rider safety. And for front there are two buckles and a reflector also available. Branding option is there, right? So let's have a let's talk about the durability of this bag. The bag is having a PVC coated fabric, having hard belts, means the hard heavy duty belts and heavy buckles. And the accessories what we have given is a premium quality accessories. Right now in this bag we have given a capacity around up to 35 kg load it can bear. And the next one, I'll show you the inside view of this bag. These are the buckles. These are the heavy duty plastic buckles. The top can be opened like this. I'll show you the flexible part. Here we have given a flexible part so that you can easily expand this up to this height. The height can be expanded up to 33 inches. The expanded height is that. Even if you don't want to use this, you can use like this. If you want to, if you have any heavy duty and extended height of the parcels, then you can use it like this. And there is another provision, like there we have given a chain option, so the parcel will not get out of this. And it's also covered like in rainy seasons it works like a heavy duty waterproof bag. And inside view of the bag what we have put it, some cartons also. Here are some packets we have put it like this. So this is the bag what we are having. You can shrink it like this. And the top part will be like this. Once again, so here we have a ready bag available with us. Let me show you how to hang this bag. This is the back waist belt. So here are the bag. This is the view from back side after hanging on a shoulder. You can see it's easy to carry and easy to handle. So this is the bag available with us. So you can buy it from our given description website link and numbers. And you can even go on www.packpr.com for this article. We are also having some other articles. We are specialized in delivery segment, so you can go for it. Thank you so much.